Hello friends, this is Sujata Karthik welcoming you all to my YouTube channel in my dream garden. And this plant, as you can see, it is a very different plant with different leaves, and this plant is called as symmetry plant or metallic plant or purple waffle plant. So these are the name I came across of while searching about the name of the plant. And generally, I found out that mostly it is commonly known as symmetry plant and also as purple waffle plant. Now, this is somewhere, some people call it also as metallic plant because you can see the leaves. It gives a bit of a shine, so maybe the name. Now, this is a purple waffle plant because the backside of the leaf you can see is a purple in color and the front is green in color, and the leaves are a bit shrinked type and a bit different as you can see in my plant. Now, this plant is mainly grown indoors and it requires a medium bright light to grow. So, the lighting conditions is indirect bright light. So place it in an indoor location where it gets a bright light, maybe near a window. And this cannot tolerate direct sunlight because the leaves can burn. So definitely place it in a location, maybe indoors, where it gets a bright light so that it can grow well. Now, coming to the soil, this plant likes acidic soil and porous soil. So, while preparing the soil, see that you add 1 part of ground soil, 1 part of sand, and 1 part of any compost, vermicompost, or any compost, so that this plant get all the nutrients to grow well. So, this purple waffle plant is known for its beautiful, lush leaves with very different color, purple backside and green in front side, and the look it gives a very different look, and it is a very good decor. It can be used as a very good decor plant in your indoors. So now we have talked about the sunlight, we have talked about the soil. Now we'll talk about the watering. Watering, it allows moist soil but not soggy. So see that you water it correctly. Don't overwater it because it is more susceptible to root rot. So water it properly, and when the upper soil is little bit dry you can water, but don't make it too dry because it allows moist soil. So proper watering is of course needed. If you're keeping it indoors, you can water it once in 2 days. And if you're keeping it outdoors in shady area, just check it and you can water little bit daily. So this is all about watering. And about the fertilizer, you can use any vermicompost or a slow release fertilizer to this plant so that this plant grows well. Now we have talked about the fertilizer also. Now let's talk about the propagation. This can be propagated from stem cutting with a node. You can check the stem cuttings, you can check the stem and take a stem with a node, and then you can propagate in another container, keeping some soil there. So propagation can be done by stem cuttings. This is of course available in your nursery. It also blooms sometimes, but rarely I see a bloom in my plant. So you can add this different beautiful plant to your indoors. You can get it from a nursery. I got a very small plant. Now it has grown up very well. I got it for about 70 rupees. You can get it around 70 to 80 rupees, I feel. So please add this beautiful gorgeous plant to your indoors, friends, and have a good day. Please subscribe my channel.